second.
No, it took.
Got another one on. Started out slow, but it's picked up. Another big baby.
Yeah. He's a chunker though.
That's 3 decent ones pretty quick.
Hey, you want some Mountain Dew? Get out.
Alright, keep my eyes peeled because they seem to always come in 2s.
Right? Like, I don't know what's going on, but...
Let's try and get some dew. Get it! Want some dew, bud?
It was there.
He's a little football.
That's what I was like.
Told you.
Oh, shh! I thought Kevin was kidding.
One.
Yeah! You just said, get it! I thought you were kidding. That's a baby. But he's still cute.
Definitely a baby. Ain't the little kid.
Yep.
Little babe.
Always come in 2s.
What's happening?
The hook went through his lip.
Oh,
He got a piercing.
look at those guys. Freaky
Little
feisties.
dude, you get to go back in the water. The quicker the better. Oh, and you're sperming on the boat.
Ew. That's not. Hello. Stop it.
Watch him release.
Bye, little freaky. Bye, little freaky. Good job doubling up.
I'll let you show the camera.
Notice I say get it, and she still won't even look.
Well, because I was like, he's probably kidding. But he wasn't kidding.
Another one.
Want to see our loot?
Yeah.
Man,
Some good ones.
this is a good box of loot.
Box of loot.
Oh yeah, I give them their ice back after their pole dance.
Oh, back at it.
Turned around and was face to face with the devil.
Wire at it and screw it in.
What? It's easier.
Yeah.
That's cute. Have my egg wash and my panko with my flour. And Jeremy has that beautiful cup fish. And my air fryer's heated up. And my coffee's brewing. that's coated right. For 12 minutes. Okay. That's what Mama and Papa are having. Buffalo. I love butter. Bacon makes everything better. You're sneaky. You're sneaky. Time to flip our food.
That's what I said. They need like. Wow.
Pop.
I know. I look at you all the time. Kind of saved it.
Okay. Gotta try it. Try it. And then your bacon green, bacon broccoli. Yeah. I just want to know what you think of the fish. Oh, you went for the broccoli first. I see how it is. The broccoli is good. You'll probably want sauce, but I want you to try it without sauce first. Yeah.
Real good.
Can you tell a lot of the buffalo?
You can taste the buffalo still, but
Yeah.
yeah, I would definitely soak it next time.
Soak it more. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I want to buffalo. Oh, a little kick it then. I like that though. That's pretty good. Well, thank you guys for joining us on our outdoor weekend adventures that was inside the kitchen this week. It was good though. It always is good. And I went super simple because I just used what we found in the kitchen. But it ended up being pretty good. So thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time on the Outdoor Wicked Adventures.
Stay wicked.
I invented that.
Oh shit.
You don't remember when you were a kid and I put that TV in that freaking car?
Vans already had TVs in.
No, not when you was 5 years old.
Yeah, they did. I'll Google it right now, bitch.